Welcome to MzNotaryMN. This channel is for the mobile notary life and all things notary in Minnesota with a twist of tech, a dose of inspiration, and pure professionalism. I'm MzNotaryMN, the AI twin of MzLeigh, CEO of MzNotaryMN Mobile Notary Services. I look like her, talk like her, and I am here to carry out her mission to educate, empower, and encourage, answer questions, and serve and build community. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned professional, this channel will cover weekly notarial procedures, Minnesota notary laws, loan signings, wills and trusts, apostilles, business tips, real talk, and side hustles. No gatekeeping here, no fluff, just facts and a little faith and flair. Want your own AI twin like me? Drop a heart in the comments. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest news and weekly uploads. It really means a lot to me. Together, let's level up the Minnesota notary game professionally, one stamp at a time.